Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Bolt Cursor and Windsurf. Bolt is designed as a lightweight and fast AI coding assistant. It focuses on delivering stunned AI responses without requiring a heavy setup or system resources. Bolt runs locally, which means it respects privacy and doesn't allow need cloud access to function. It's best suited for developers who want real-time suggestions, code completions, and debugging support without being overwhelmed by too many extra features. Its minimal interface is a plus for users who prefer simplicity. Cursor is more powerful and fully integrated AI coding editor built on top of Visual Studio Code. It brings advanced AI features such as natural language code generation, intelligent autocomplete, refactoring assistance, documentation generation, and AI chat that understands your entire project. Cursor supports multiple languages and frameworks, and because it builds on VS Code, it supports all extensions from the VS Code ecosystem. It's perfect for developers who want to streamline their coding process using AI for everything from writing code to understanding complex logic. Windsurf is designed for deeper reasoning and long-term memory. It can track conversations and coding steps across longer sessions, making it ideal for more complex projects that involve strategy, planning, and multi-step problem solving. Windsurf isn't as fast or polished as Bolt or Cursor in terms of UI, but it shines when you need an AI assistant to remember your code, revisit past decisions, and help you work on project over time without losing context. It supports programming assistance, research tasks, and long-form coding help. Bolt is best if you need privacy and a lightweight experience. Cursor is best for full-featured coding with deep integrations and advanced AI tooling. Windsurf is best if you need an AI memory that can help with multi-step tasks and complex logic over time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.